Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to Altcoin Daily with Bitcoin Gorilla. Today, I'll be breaking down the price of Trust Wallet token. So, by the end of this video, you're going to understand the fundamental analysis of Trust Wallet as well as the technical analysis, and then you can make a better decision if Trust Wallet is a good investment for 2022. And if you're in trade, how far can you hold? Are we going to see a bounce or more downside? I remember Bitcoin Gorilla, and hey, let me tell you something. Every strategy used in this video, no indicators is allowed. So I'll be drawing my chart from scratch. If you're new to trading, you want to stick by, because this video will be one you want to watch. Why? I'll be explaining every aspect of the video, and as I'm forecasting the price, you are actually going to be coming along with me each step, because I'll be telling you why I am making the claims I am making. I remember Bitcoin Gorilla. Every strategy used in this video was developed by me from scratch. And if you are interested in learning, because and trading live with me, not just learning, you're going to trade live with me. I share my entries, I share my trade, I share market insights on the go, and I'm a high leverage trader. I trade 125x. That is where the name Bitcoin Gorilla comes from, my trading style. And you are going to get 3 months intensive training by me, and I'll be a mentor to you for a lifetime. If you are interested in all of this, then I'm here to tell you that MAKAVELI Traders just opened access today, and registration is on. It's going to last for the next 25 days. Registration will be closing by 27 January. If you are interested in trading with pro crypto traders, price action that will give you market insight of the on the go, that will share their trades with you, entry, setup, stop loss, and take target, they will be with you from the beginning of the trade to the end, advising you, telling you when it's time to run, when it's time to get in. In fact, you will FOMO no more, and no more liquidation. Like I said, I trade 125x successfully to what? To over 100 and something percent, right? Using simple price action strategy that was developed by me. If you are interested, you want to be one of those people that will become MAKAVELI traders in 2022. I'm going to leave the link to the website so that you can go and register and join the family, and you start trading with me. Access once closed till May again, because access is only open 3 times in a year: January, May, and October. And hey, I am not interested in monthly subscription or yearly subscription. I don't want your money. It's only a one-time payment for a lifetime access. We have 3 types of membership: spot traders membership, futures traders membership, and staking. And I share my entries on the go. Mind you, one-time payment for a lifetime access. You're going to get access to trading books. You're going to get access to retake the classes on live on Zoom anytime you want to. Because why? Each time new students come in, old student has access to retake the class, because I understand I am constantly growing and learning, and I'm constantly sharing what I have learned daily with you. Why? You also have access to trading books and materials to read. If you pass the quizzes and the video courses, you get certified, saying that you were trained by MAKAVELI Trader, and you are a MAKAVELI Trader. So if you are interested in making this move and taking your career serious to the next level, come and trade live with me. I'm going to leave the link to the website under this video. But for now, let's get back into understanding TWT. Trust Wallet is currently trading at 0.7172 cents. Today, the past 24 hours, it has lost 0.73 move, right? It made a move and it lost about 0.73. Now, the total supply of this coin is 1 billion tokens. Now, the all-time high, the highest price this coin has ever seen in its lifetime, is at the price of 1.65. That was around 4 months ago, around September 5, 2021. But the thing about this is it has actually lost about 56% of that move. And the all-time low, the lowest price that this coin has ever seen, is around 0.006478 cents. And that was about a year ago, July 2022. Now, let's break down what Trust Wallet is. You see, Trust Wallet or TWT is a simple BEP20 utility token that provides a range of benefits and incentive to Trust Wallet users. Trust Wallet itself is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that supports dozens of popular native tokens in addition to popular tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, Binance, and Tron blockchain. Now, holders of TWTs unlock a variety of benefits when using TWT wallet. Now, this is what the wallet does. Now, TWT Trust Wallet is a wallet that gives you access to buy, store, collect NFTs, exchange, and earn crypto. You are going to be able to even go into staking. Staking is going to be easy for you because with TWT, you have so many tokens that they will allow you stake, and their returns is quite good. I personally use TWT, and I think they have one of the best wallets out here if you are looking for online wallets. The good thing is they even give you access to the apps, right? They give you access to all these multiple apps that you can just instantly use and buy coins. Now, Trust Wallet, the app, is fully functioning Web3 browser that can be used to interact with any decentralized app. Mentorsly crafted tool that provides a seamless, simple, and secure connection between you and the centralized app. Not only is this device, you are going to have access to NFTs, all NFTs in one place. You are going to be able to store your NFT here to be able to connect to any marketplace you want. Trust Wallet offers you an easy way to keep all your unique NFTs and ERC tokens in one place. Now, both game asset NFTs can be kept in Trust Wallet with ease without you even having to leave your wallet. The good thing again is staking. Like I said, Trust Wallets also allow you to earn through staking without even having to worry. If you're worried about movement, the one thing about POS over POW is the point that POS is only affected by price. So when you are staking, when you start earning, you are only going to be worried about price movement. This is why if you're going into staking, you must understand what is impermanent loss. Impermanent loss is chances that the loss you see will reverse back to profit. So the loss will actually be fluctuating between profit and loss, depending. That is what an impermanent loss is. This is why if you're going into staking, you need a good education and a good understanding of how it works. Just like trading, staking also needs timing. You have to buy the right coin at the right time to be able to benefit. Even if you stake, you know that at least this coin is going to the upside while it is still being staked and returning yield investment. Now, one beautiful thing about TWT is the fact that the wallet has so many assets in one. I don't think right now there's any wallet that has all these goodies in one if the wallet is not a decentralized. Now most exchanges are centralized. Binance is a centralized exchange. So yeah, they have some wallet, but it's an exchange. Trust Wallets is a decentralized wallet. It gives you access to all the apps, beautiful access. You have access to Uniswap, you have access to any kind of market you want to interact with directly from their browser. Like I said, is a Web3 browser with great interface, easy to use, and I think is a good reason why we should now look at the price of TWT. So now that we understand the fundamental analysis of what TWT does and what they offer and why the token can be a good advantage to you and me if we go into it. But price is going to tell us more if right now the beginning of 2022 is the best time to buy TW2, or we need more patience. Let's find out. So I'm going to start by mapping out my support and resistance. Remember, if you want to learn how this strategy works or how to trade it, I trade 125x. Thanks to this strategy, I don't get liquidated. I have trading laws that I use to trade this strategy. And if you want to know all these secrets, just come to MAKAVELI Traders. Access is currently open. Depending on your trading pattern, you are going to be able to trade with me for a lifetime. So don't worry about me just coming here to make big videos and prediction. You are actually going to trade those predictions live with me and my family. So what is support and resistance? Support and resistance are areas on my chart where price gets to and couldn't move further. So in terms of resistance, it is always when price is going up. I can only meet resistance when price is going up. At those points where it gets to and couldn't go further up, those points means there is an invisible sort of supply around that area that keeps price either going sideways for some time and then continue the journey for the upside. Example is here, it goes sideways, then continue to journey up to the upside. Or sometimes it completely reverse direction. Like here, you can see instead of doing what it did here and continue the journey to the upside, the opposite happened. It went all the way down and cleared the all-time low. Now, if you want to know more about all-time low, all-time high, and all these jargons of price action, this is not something I will be discussing in this video because of time. Please come to MAKAVELI Traders and you will be taught price action. You will start creating your own signals and you will be able to trade them like pro without even the my need. We don't offer signals in MAKAVELI Traders. Let me warn you. We teach you how to create those signals. So we are like a mentor riding with you. You can ask questions. You're going to get market insight, trading psychologists, everything on the go. I am going to be a mentor. So I'll be there daily, 24 hours with you, going through this market with you, answering your questions and helping you get through difficult market situations, because I will also be taking trade. So if I'm in a trade and the market is bad, imagine what I'm going to do, but don't have to worry about it, thinking about it, because I'll be there to share what I'm doing with you. So you'll be ahead of time, know what my decisions are. Not just me, the entire MAKAVELI Traders. We have pros in the house that will also share their insights with you. So like I said, my resistance are only found when markets is going up. So the opposite of resistance is also known as support. Now these are demand areas on your chart, and these areas are actually very invisible, just like the resistance area. You have to plot and find them yourself. Now, what is a support? A support are majorly demand areas on your chart which are met when price is falling, right? So support are always when price is going to the downside. When price is going to the downside, that is when you find your support. Now this support are area just like resistance where price gets to and couldn't fall any further long. It couldn't go down any longer. Instead, it is forced to go sideways, which is equilibrium for some time, before either completely changing direction or continuing the move to the downside. I'll give you an example. Example is in this situation, you can see price was going down and it was forced to pause for a while, go sideways and change back to go back up where it was coming from. Now, another example is right here. It was going down. The same thing happened. It changed direction, but not the case in this situation. Here, it was going down, take a pause for a while, try to go back up, but couldn't succeed in clearing the last high. Instead, it continues its move down by clearing support. Now, one thing you should have at the back of your mind is that support and resistance are always breaking. Why? Price always move. And what leads to this break is rise in demand or supply. So when there's rise in demand, resistance break easily. And when there's rise in supports rise in supply, support breaks easily. Now that we know all this, I'm going to go further to bring in the Bitcoin Gorilla box. So this is the Bitcoin Gorilla box. Now you're going to start seeing my funny strategy, and if you're interested in them, I'm going to draw it from chart. No indicators are allowed. Two tools are what I'll be using: the rectangular box and the trend line. So now that I've gotten the box, I'm going to go ahead and get my demand zone support of the box. This is my demand area, and I will also try to get my resistance area, supply area of the box. So now this is weekly chart, mind you. So every of my analysis, you're going to need patience. Weekly chart take minimum of 1 month to play. Sometimes it's going to start playing by the second month, third month. That's what weekly chart does. If you are trading daily, expect your daily chart to play in a week time to a month time. Now, if you're trading 4 hours daily, you can get your target, and weekly you can also get your target. You must understand how this time frame works so that you don't get worried out here. You need to learn how to control FOMO so that you don't get moved by every candle that moves in this market. Patient, 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 patient. Trading is 80% waiting. You need to learn to trade without FOMO. Instead, you need to learn to trade with confidence. But do not get euphoria. Don't get overconfident out here, or this market is going to teach you a lot of lessons. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get my bias line. So, this is my bias line. Still support. And hello, I can't even make a good seller's line. But before I go ahead and continue, I just drew another box, which is this box, right? This particular box is a fresh box that I just drew, right? And I'm going to go ahead to get the support and resistance of this box. Now, this inner box is functioning as the daily chart box, right? The first big one is functioning as the weekly chart box. So this is the support, the demand area of the daily chart box, right? So I'm going to go ahead and turn this yellow. And this is the resistance of the daily chart box. Now, with this being known, I'm going to tell you this. I think I need another line. I can see some line. I know that they are hidden 4 hours line. Now, I know there are these hidden support and resistance, but most of them don't really make much. They get easily broken, so I don't give them much power. I don't give them much activity or much consideration unless I am trading lower time frame. That is, if I'm trading futures. Whenever I'm trading futures, I like going with 4 hours. So whenever I'm trading spot, I like giving my coin time to mature. The big money is in the big trend. Patience is going to earn you a lot of money, but you must know the right time to be patient. Don't be patient in a bear market and find yourself waiting for the next 3 years. From 2017 to 2020, it was a down market. Don't get caught up in such market. This is why you must know when to hold and when to exit the market. Timing is your strength. Timing is everything. So I can tell you that, hey, I've gotten the buyer's line, but hey, there's no seller's line. Why? Because there's no clear. If I tell you, if I draw the seller's line currently here, let's see if we can get one. So we have this seller's line. Any line we're drawing, we need a minimum of 2 touches. So we have 1 and we have 2. All right, beautiful. We have 1, 2, and 3. Good. So now that we know, we have, the funny thing is, yeah, we are on a support, which is likely a 4-hour support. But right now, this support is not strong enough to hold TWT. Let me be honest with you. There's a better support right here. And that is my box, right? My box is telling me that TWT at 0.7 could likely still see a downside. Now, chances are high that they could move up from this support to attack this seller's line around $1 again, 1.08 area. But chances are also high that they are going to get pushed down, and this time around they will seek for a stronger support. Now, their stronger support is going to start from 0.6 all the way to 0.4. This range is a strong demand area. Remember, my box, my daily chart area is the demand area for daily chart, which tells me if TWT is going to get a good pump, then TWT needs a stronger support at this time. And this strong support, you can see, like I said, 0.4 area to 0.6 area is my demand based on the box. But that is the first move that the bulls could likely take, by first of all getting a bounce. But let me tell you something, I actually don't see that playing easily. Because why? Because of this current resistance that is right here, and they are in the middle of my box. And for me, when I'm trading, middle of my box is never safe, right? It's never safe. They are mini support. This mini support are 4-hour chart. So if I go to daily chart, this is what my chart looks like on daily chart. Remember, I drew this chart on a weekly chart, but this is what is now looking like going to daily chart. If you are interested in, hey, how will it work for somebody on 4 hours, let's take it to 4 hours. Look at how easy it is for me to see the market without even bothering. Remember, I drew my chart on weekly chart. See, this strategy can be traded on every time frame. So let me go ahead and give you a short brief of what is going to happen on 4 hours, right? If you're trading, if you're a day trader, well, at this point where price is really battling to stand this line. And I will tell you, I don't trust anything here. Anything here is likely going to seek here or here. So anytime price is within this range, I always tell myself, hey, stay out. Be patient. The reason is your best entry is either demand area or supply area. Why? Because I am considering my stop loss, the chances of a loss. As a trader, I prefer to first of all consider how much I'm going to lose than how much I'm going to make. If the loss is not much and the profit is worth it at least 3 times, then I'm going for the trade. In case of TWT, moving this high is going to be a very strong move. Instead, I'm seeing a double top, 1 and 2. So here's the thing: is either they move, they are no longer far. So this is demand zone is no longer far, and this demand zone coincided with this our line right here. 0.4 area, 0.6 to 0.4 could leave them to move up. And this time around, if the demand here is so high, they could break this seller's line and head for 1.2 to 1.3, depending, but they could get a reaction around 1.1. I remember Bitcoin Gorilla. If you like my strategy,